guys, Adventures While Black. We're down here at the river, Khlong, Wan, Nan, Man, something like that, down here in Bangkok, Thailand. We're going to go on a riverboat cruise with Hidden-Bangkok out here. So you guys will have to stay tuned, check it out, and see what's up. Yay! Adventures While Black, we out here still continuing the Hidden-Bangkok tour. We got the crew.
What's up with it, y'all? We got that butter love tonight. Yeah, this is Adventures While Black. Y'all know the deal.
Well, hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, Adventures Black Adventures and Adventures While Black, co-starring Joel and Kayla.
Yo, what up? Follow my Instagram, a.kingstouch.
What's up? What's up? It's Shay here. You can follow my Instagram at Shayla Mero. You can also follow us on YouTube at Love in the letter N Latham.
We're about to head out to the Chao Phraya River. We're waiting out here in like this water inlet area that has to wait for some boats to go by or whatever. So that's what we're doing. Adventures While Black! Yay! What's up, you guys? Adventures While Black here. We are down here at Sedang Pier. That's where they just dropped us off. So we just got done cruising like the Khlong, Nong, and the Chao Phraya and all that type of stuff. So we had a great time on Hidden-Bangkok, and we definitely recommend that you guys check it out anytime you guys are in Bangkok and you just want a quick tour, 2 hours around the hood. So if you guys like this video, please check out our YouTube. Click the link, all of that on the Instagrams and BYOBs and all of that, and just make sure you guys tune in. We'll have more videos coming for you guys soon. I know we're with the COVID. I had to take my mask off. Everybody's 6 feet away from me, so it's all good.
What's up with it? It's your boy over here. What's up with it, man? Ain't nobody 6 feet away from nothing. You feel me? Yeah, we just got off the riverboat out here at the Chao Phraya at Asatang Pier. Asatang Pier. If you turn it around, it's right there. Asatang. Peace.
Yeah, so if you guys like the video, make sure you guys click the YouTube link. We'll be able to share more with you guys soon, because that's just how we do. Yeah, it's Adventures While Black. My homeboy left me on the tagline.
We out here, baby.
Yeah, Adventures While Black.
We hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we had fun filming it. Please share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave us a comment below. We'd love to bring you more videos like this during our adventures. As always,
We out here, baby.